Hi everybody, I have a really weird video for you guys today. So if you didn't see on my Instagram story, I went to Nashville with my friend Shoshi and we were supposed to sleep in the van and we ended up getting robbed. They took both of our suitcases, my camera, which is what I'm filming on my iPhone right now, and well, they took everything. All we have is what we had with us when we were out of the van. Luckily we weren't in the van when we got robbed. If you want like a story, I can kind of tell you guys more details at the end. So I had to drive to Chicago to drop Shoshi off. I didn't want to drive from Nashville to Chicago and then from Chicago to Michigan all in one day, so I ended up staying at my brother's for a night. I gotta make the best of the situation, I guess. So today we're doing a video that I guess we're gonna call styling my brother's clothes because I was robbed. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Caseify. Can't show you the case right now because I'm filming on my phone and the case is on my phone. I can grab my brother's case. He has a Caseify phone case. Okay, here's Jackson with his Caseify phone case. He got it customized to say Jack. It's the leather one. How would you recommend it?
Yeah, I love it. It's got good hand feel.
Yeah, it does feel good.
It's not like slippery or anything.
He used the link in the description box and my promo code that will be on screen. So make sure to check out Caseify. It's Jackson approved, and I know that's what you guys care about. Hey everyone, I'm back home in Michigan now, safe and sound, and I wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about Caseify because again, I'm so thankful that we have a sponsor for this video, and you guys already know I love my Caseify phone cases. I still don't have my camera, so I'm filming on photo booth right now. I'm really sorry. It's what we gotta do, especially if I'm trying to show you my phone. I think most of you guys already know the rundown, but I'll say it again. Caseify's phone cases are slim and protective. Their impact cases are engineered with 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech and are drop tested approved for 6.6 feet for the impact cases and 9.8 feet for the ultra impact cases. They're so much more protective than the cheaper alternatives you'd find on Amazon, and phones are freaking expensive. Get a good case, protect your phone. They come in a ton of designs, so you can pick your favorite print and match your phone to your style. You can also add your name or monogram for a truly customizable case. I always add Ernie, my dog's name, to all my phone cases, but as you saw, Jackson added Jack. Caseify's antimicrobial coating keeps your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria. So important right now. And their impact and ultra impact cases are made with 50% recycled material, so you can feel good while your phone is looking great. So make sure to go to caseify.com/Lainey for 15% off your Caseify phone case. And you can match me and my brother and my cousin and my mom and literally everyone in my life because we all rock the Caseify phone cases. Let's just get into styling my brother's clothes because I was robbed. Okay, so like I said, I don't have a camera or like tripod anything because my camera was stolen. So the window's open and I've got you guys propped on a windowsill, so I'm sorry if the audio isn't great. We're really working with what we got today. Also, my hair looks crazy and no makeup because have I ever said that I was robbed? So here is outfit number 1. How do you guys like the setup? This is Jackson's new apartment. I found these little terry cloth shorts, so freaking trendy. And then I found this trendy, adorable shirt. Never seen it before. It's so amazing, unique. This is my merch. If you want to support me, I'll link it down below. Jackson got it in a size. This is an XL, and if you guys saw, the ones I wear are small or extra small, and then it fits like a baby tee, but you can definitely get like the normal oversized t-shirt look too, which I really like. And then we have my only shoes that I have because his shoes won't fit me, but I think that this is really freaking cute. We can also add my Lainey hat because it survived. Cute! Like, I wear this, sure. And then also, I found this like waffle kind of shirt, and I just think the like all cream look is really cute. Double thumbs up. I want these short. So let's go to the next one. Next outfit. I love this like lacrosse. What is this called? Rugby jersey. The shirt is so freaking cool. I saw it so many times on Instagram ads, and then Jackson got it, so that's cool. I thought it was big enough to like wear as a dress, and it like is. And if you're doing this and you were like going out and wearing be dramatic, but this one kind of slaps. Look at these pants. I love them. Jackson mostly has like tapered or more skinny jeans, and I don't know why, because like in our family we all have like thick calves. They're like almost the same size as our thighs. So like skinny jeans just like don't work. He's gonna come up and fuck me. So these pants are like Nike. Yeah. I did the TikTok hack where you loop them, and they literally are so good. Jackson's bougie, so he's got an ALD crew neck. Freaking awesome. I love the super like tomboy look, like double baggy clothes, and then the little purse. Cute. I wear this. I wanna wear this. Okay, and here's the last outfit. I thought I was gonna absolutely hate this one, and it's not that bad. My last outfit though, because Jackson really doesn't have that many clothes. He has really cool like pieces, and they're kind of expensive, but he doesn't have a lot of them. So this is it. We've got a day use button up. These Levi 501s that we did the TikTok hack. So, you know, the waist isn't looking great, but it's doing something. He cuffs his jeans, and normally I wouldn't, but I'm kind of not hating it. And yeah, like not bad. Last outfit was my favorite though, and I wasn't expecting that. Those pants slapped. Okay, that's it for the outfits. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really poking fun at what happened because like I think it's only been a day, but I'm already just like kind of laughing about the situation. I mean, I'm still like upset obviously, but what else am I gonna do at this point? It happened. There's nothing else I can change about it. Why just like sit and be bitter? Scared, yes, I'm still scared, but I feel like safe where I'm at right now, so I can just like laugh. And we're so lucky that we weren't in the car and we're safe and nothing actually happened to like Shoshi or me. It was just the material items that happened to. So I realized that we're really lucky. And the fact that, like, yeah, this happened and we can recover from it. Like, we'll be okay. We have friends and family and jobs. We'll be okay. I realize how lucky we are for all of that, and I just wanted to say that. Okay, hey everybody. So the audio was just so bad there. I kind of explained a little bit, but I figured I would just come on here and tell what happened. A lot of you guys were, concerned and just curious about what happened, and I'm okay sharing. So Shoshi and I decided to drive down to Nashville. We stayed at the Dive Motel for 2 nights, and then Saturday night, which would have been the 3rd night, they didn't have any availability, so we decided to bring my dad's transit van that Brandon and I always sleep in. We do road trips in it all the time, so it's already like kind of decked out to sleep in. We have a little mattress in the back, and that's basically all you need. So we brought that van. So 2 nights the van was parked in the Dive Motel's parking lot, and we stayed in the hotel, obviously, with all of our stuff. And then the 3rd night, we decided we were going to go out. We were going to come back, like Uber back and sleep in the transit van. When you want to sleep like in a city in your car, it's kind of hard to find overnight parking, so we just figured we would stay at the Dive Motel's parking. The Dive Motel's parking has this really small parking lot, so they said that overflow goes into the elementary school, literally like connected to the parking lot. So that's where we decided we were going to sleep. If you sleep at a hotel parking lot, it has 24-hour parking, so like you're normally good. We should have looked into the area more, but our car was already parked there for 2 nights before, so we really didn't like think it would have been, we didn't think anything of a 3rd night it being parked there. So Shoshi and I left the car around like 10, I think, and we had an Uber pick us up because we were gonna go drink. We go out and we didn't get back until I think like 2 a.m. We walk up to the transit and the passenger window is completely shattered, and there's this giant shatter in the front like dash window, which kind of threw me off because like everyone knows that window doesn't shatter, like that window's basically shatterproof, and your passenger windows and all the side windows will shatter like nothing. I was like, were they just doing that to like mess with us, or like were they just really stupid and like didn't know that? Well, yeah, they were really stupid, but are they even so stupid they didn't know that like the front window doesn't shatter? We get back, like we're so freaking shocked. I didn't even go to look in the van. Like in my head I was like, we were robbed, like duh. So I just right away I went and I called the police, and this was probably at, I have the phone calls, I'll put them here, but it was like 2 or 2:30 the first time I called the police. So she like opens the car door and starts like looking in there, and I'm like, what the hell? Like we sobered up so fast. We weren't like plastered either. We were just like tipsy. We probably hadn't had another drink. The last time we had another drink was probably midnight, so it was like 2 hours of us like sobering up. Shoshi looks through, she's like, our suitcases are gone. My camera wasn't in my suitcase, it was just in the glove box, which was stupid on my part, but even if it was in the suitcase, it would have been taken anyways. My camera was taken. They took like the registration for the car, which was really annoying. That's just like annoying. And there was just glass everywhere in the car, so I called the police, they said they're coming. And we were waiting like an hour, I think, and I called them again. I'm like, hey, like, are you still coming? And they're like, you can't call 911 to ask if we're still coming. And I was like, okay, but we've been waiting an hour, and we didn't feel safe sitting at the place we got robbed, like, obviously. So, like, I'm on the phone with my parents, too, and they're, like, freaking the F out because they're in Michigan, and, like, you can't really do anything. So, they told me, they were like, just drive to the police station because at least like you're whatever safer there, and we're not being like watched or something. I don't know. We had our wallets and phones with us still, so like if somebody did come back to like finish us off, like they could have. I get in the car, like by this point I'm pretty sober. Not pretty sober, I am sober. I'm definitely sober at this point. It's been like 4 hours since I drank. And honestly, like the shock of something like that, I swear, it just like all the alcohol leaves your body in 2 seconds. So we get in the car, we drive to the police station, they're like closed. And then I call 911 again, and I'm like, we moved to locations because you guys were taking so long and we're scared. And they were like, you can't keep calling 911. I think I called them 4 times that night because I was just like fuming. I was like, where are the police? Like, what are you guys doing? What are you busy with? I thought this was your job. But my 4th time calling the police, it's almost 5 a.m. and my parents were just like, screw it, just go to a hotel. Shoshi and I are so delusional and tired at this point. I'm sitting on shards of glass, like Shoshi's in the back seat because the front passenger's actually like swimming in the little shards of glass, and they're like, the glass, when it breaks on your side windows, it like falls into little balls so it doesn't cut you. It's like a safety thing. But like it's still like you don't want to sit on it. So my mom was a saint and she called a hotel for us. She booked us a room. We get there with, each of us had like our one little crochet bag. If you ever want stuff to not get stolen, put it in a crochet bag. So she had her AirPods in her crochet bag and her house keys, and they didn't take anything out of those bags because apparently robbers hate crochet. So we each walk in with our one little crochet bag. Like, we're just so freaking tired. We get our room key. The hotel there gives us toothbrushes, like a little comb, mouthwash, and deodorant because we actually have nothing at this point. My hat's made it somehow, as you could tell. So we go up to our first room. The whole room is flooded. We're just like, what is happening? Come back down, we get a new room. By the time we go to bed, it's like 5:36. I wake up at 7 because when traumatic things happen to me, I just can't sleep. Wake up next morning, we go downstairs. The front lady that night told us that like the hotel engineer could help us with the window. He helped with the window. We went to like patch the window. We drove to a car wash and we vacuumed all the glass out, and then we drove 8 hours to Chicago. And you're all caught up. Now, after this clip, or after doing this video and whatever, it took me 6 hours to go from Chicago to Detroit, because of July, like 4th of July traffic, so that really sucked. So in the past 2 days, I've driven 14 hours. I am on my deathbed, like quite literally. I lost my black cowboy boots. I lost my lemon, that little white dress that's like handmade by the sweetest girls ever. I lost my blue slip dress, my 437 swimsuit. Shows she lost her Goldie jeans, her other camera. Oh, I lost my camera. You guys know that. It's like vintage stuff hurts more. And my cowboy boots that like I wore in to be like perfect little boots. Altogether, we probably lost around like $2,500 worth of stuff, which really freaking sucks. So that's that. Expect a bus update soon. Got the bus. The bus has a radio today, which is pretty cool, and I'm taking on its first trip this weekend. Am I still scared from what just happened? Yes. But you know, it happened. It's in the past. You can't live in fear. You gotta pack up your ish and move on. Pack up what ish? I have no ish left. That's a joke. My closet is still overflowing, you guys. I realize. Yeah, that's it. I wanted to give you guys an update. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Also, thank you so much for all the sweet messages. I was literally scream crying because you guys are all so sweet to me. I had some of you like DMing me how to tape up my passenger window and just telling me how to like file a police report and all these things. And yeah, I really appreciate it. I want you guys to know that like none of your actions go unnoticed or unappreciated. If it wasn't for you guys, like I would have been like an actual mess. It just feels good to have like all the support. But I've been blabbing. I haven't sat down and like told the full story yet. Yeah. So there's that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.